Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my Nykaa Pink Sale haul video with all of you. So if you are interested to see what all I purchased, please keep on watching. Alright, so I bought quite a lot of makeup this time. I'm going to show you the number of boxes that I have with me. So these are the boxes which I have with me. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so getting started with all the products which I have purchased. The first thing that is in front of me is the K Beauty contour stick. This is what it looks like. I have actually opened the packaging to try out the shade. I'm quickly going to swatch and show you what the contour looks like. This is what the contour stick looks like. This is the very first time that I am trying out something from K Beauty. Alright. So this is what the shade looks like. This is a nice chocolate brown kind of a color, which is quite dark for my skin tone. I have intentionally purchased something which is a little dark uh, compared to my skin tone, because you can always work with darker shades of contour. So the very first product which I am trying out from K Beauty, let's see what I feel about it. I'm definitely going to share my opinion in my next video, so don't forget to watch my next video. Let's move on to the next product. So I went for Masaba by Nykaa. This is in the shade, what is the shade? Wild for You. Okay, so this nail polish is in the shade Wild for You. It's a nice orange tone kind of a red. Okay, I cannot try it out because I already have nail polish on my nails. If you're wondering which company this is, which brand this is also by Nykaa. So along with this bunch of products, I also ordered an eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. So that came in separately. So I have the eyeshadow palette inside this box. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette which I purchased. This is the Tami X Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette. I wanted this palette for so long, and I finally purchased it during the Hot Pink sale, and I cannot be happier. I have been seeing this eyeshadow palette on Nykaa since it launched on Nykaa. I mean, the palette launched on Nykaa. It is also available on HOK Beauty or Hoke Beauty. How do you pronounce it? I'm not very sure, but I wanted to buy it from Nykaa somehow. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. This was the outer packaging of it. Comes in a paper cardboard kind of a package, and then this is the eyeshadow palette. Okay, it is a nice and sturdy palette. Okay, it's not very flimsy. It's got a very sturdy packaging. Okay, it's got all the names written at the back. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This film was on top over the shades. I have just put it over here. It's got some kind of a sticky glue thing on both the corners. It's not very sticky, it's not like Fevikwik, but it's a nice soft glue kind of a thing, which is very easy to remove, and it doesn't leave any stain. Okay, so it's got this full size mirror. So it's got this full size mirror on top, and this is the eyeshadow. I wanted a colorful eyeshadow palette for the longest time, and I finally purchased it. Wanted to buy something which is from a good brand. I have been using Makeup Revolution eyeshadows for quite some time now. I have 3 palettes, and this is my 4th Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I'm really excited to try it out. Also for this video, I have used this pink shade here, which is called Pink Panther. Wow. So I've used the shade Pink Panther on my inner corners today to get this eyeshadow look. So along with this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, I got a free lipstick from Revolution Pro. This is what the lipstick looks like. This is called the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment. So this is the Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment. This is in the shade Affection. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It's got a very premium kind of a packaging. I love the packaging. I haven't tried lipsticks from Makeup Revolution till now. It's got a nice nude shade to it. Oh, I love this color. Alright, so I have, I have never tried lipsticks from Makeup Revolution. So let's see, I'm going to try it out and tell you how it is in my upcoming videos. So keep watching. Alright, so this is what this parcel was all about. The eyeshadow came in separately, as I said. Came in this box. Alright, now coming to this big ass package now. This has a lot of stuff in it. This mainly has a skincare and a few beauty and just one beauty tool with it, okay? So it has mainly skincare, just the daily essentials which I use on a day-to-day basis. The first thing which I have here is the Maybelline Colossal Super Black Kajal. So of course we have this mask situation going on. The only thing which we can actually apply is Kajal, because we cannot risk showing off our lipsticks right now. I haven't even opened the package. I am not trying this out for the first time. I have tried it earlier as well and I love it. I normally use the Colossal Kajal, the yellow one, for my day-to-day use, but I wanted to try the super black one because now, as I said, mask situation going on, so I want something which looks more dramatic. So this is what the Kajal looks like in case you haven't tried it out earlier. It's got a nice pointed tip, okay, and it's got 0.35 grams of product. Okay, so this is what the Kajal looks like. It's a very nice intense black color. I love the color. I have used it earlier as well, as I told you. Love this Kajal to bits. It does not smudge. I am very happy with the Colossal Kajal as well. Even I find some people saying that Colossal Kajal tends to smudge and move around, but for me, not happening. Does not smudge ever. I love both the Colossal normal Kajal and the Super Black Kajal. Now coming to the second product. This is what I use on a day-to-day life. This is my favorite face wash. This is by Himalaya. This is the Himalaya Tan Removing Orange Face Wash. Tan Removal Orange Face Wash. If you love the smell of oranges, something citrusy, you're going to love it. So for me, this product actually works wonders. I love it. So repurchase. Okay, this is a repurchase. I have used maybe 5, 6, 7 tubes of it till now. Okay, so not going anywhere. Okay, so now that we are done with 2 products already, the Kajal and the face wash, I also have this small and cute makeup sponge by pack. Look how cute this is. I haven't even opened it. I'm going to open it right now. It's very easy to open. Thank God for that. I don't have patience at all. Okay. Alright, these are so cute. Look how cute they are. Alright, so these are the 2 sponges which I have from PAC. I don't really use makeup sponges. I like, or I prefer using makeup brushes when it comes to my base makeup. I love the coverage which makeup brushes give, and sponges tend to suck up a lot of product from the face and I don't like that. So I bought it mainly for my concealers. Okay, so I'll be using it under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth and all of that. So these sponges are something which I'm going to use for my concealer, for blending in my concealer. As because I'm not a sponge person, so I thought of going in for the mini sponges. These sponges might appear very small, but once you get it wet with water, it expands a bit in size. It's perfect for blending your concealer under your eyes. This pointed tip is very useful to go towards the inner corner of the eye, and these regions, under your eyes, on top of your eyelids, around your mouth, around your nose, this pointed stuff, this pointy thing on the sponge really helps in blending out around your nose, inner corner of your eyes. So as because I'm not someone who likes to use a lot of sponges, I felt that buying a mini one is probably the best thing for me, best suited for me. Okay, so I'll quickly take you through another product which I completely forgot to show in the video. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade medium. My skin tone is a MAC NC35, so I found out that the medium shade will be perfect for me. I'll try and open it up with my left hand. Alright, yes. So this is what the concealer looks like. I haven't used it. It's completely new. It's got this sponge applicator on top, and to use it you have to twist it so that the product comes up on top here and you can apply. So I've heard all good reviews about the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, so it's time to give it a try. I'll try and let you know what I think about this product. This is the package, right? We have another package inside this package here. Okay, so you can understand what this is, I guess. So this is by the brand M Caffeine. So this is what this looks like. This is a gift box. This is actually not for my personal use. I'm going to gift it to my sister-in-law. Okay, so this is for her. I have been using the same products for quite some time now, but I love the packaging. See the packaging in which it comes. It's got this scrub, this body scrub. It's got this wooden spoon with which you take out the body scrub. This package also has this body polishing oil and a wooden massager. Somehow the video got corrupt and I had to film this again. I hope you don't mind. This is the MAC's Lux Store package which I have with me, and in it I have lipsticks. Okay, lipsticks by MAC. I wanted to purchase MAC lipsticks for the longest time now, and I finally did during the Nykaa pink sale. I purchased 2 MAC lipsticks and I received 1 lipstick absolutely free. Okay, so these are the 2 lipsticks which I purchased. These are MAC Diva and MAC Ruby Woo, and I got the MAC liquid lipstick, the MAC Retro Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Tailor to Tease, absolutely free with the product. Okay, so these are the swatches. This is Diva, the first shade is Diva. In the center you have Ruby Woo, and here you have MAC Tailor to Tease. So Diva, Ruby Woo, Tailor to Tease. To be very honest, the 2 lipsticks which I purchased and the free lipstick which I got, all of these lipsticks will look beautiful on all Indian skin tones. So you might be fair or medium or dark, doesn't matter. These 3 lipsticks are universal shades and it's going to suit your skin tone beautifully. This was quite a deal. Okay, buying 2 lipsticks and then getting a 2200 lipstick free was a steal deal for me. So buying 2 lipsticks worth rupees 3000 something, I got 2200. I got a lipstick worth rupees 2200 free, so that was quite a steal deal. Okay, so now I have this mini Fix Plus with me. They have sent it along with this product. This is a Fix Plus tester which they have sent, so I'm very excited to try it out. So this is what I purchased from Nykaa during the hot pink sale. This time I ended up spending quite a lot of money. The whole makeup stack costed me around 7,500 rupees. So if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell after you subscribe to my channel to get notified each time I post a new video. It would mean the absolute world to me if you do so. Next week we have Raksha Bandhan. I already have a look created meant for Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi, whatever you call it. Make sure to check it out. I will mention the link in the bottom bar below. I'll also have a number of festive makeup looks coming on my channel, whatever festivities that are coming up. So if you do not want to miss out, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Also share the video with your friends and hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching.